This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sky Kelly. Wonderful 2+den first floor condo in Marbella at Spanish Wells. Enjoy the open feeling with this floor plan that open up to your lanai overlooking a lake. The community pool is within walking distance. Custom drapes, remodeled master bath and sleeper sofa in the den. You are just 2.5 miles to Bonita Beach and close to shopping, restaurants, and 30 minutes to FD Myers Airport. Rented Jan through April 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Sky Kelly at 239-659-2400.